And we're also getting reports of extensive damage in Miller Grove, about 20 miles southwest of Sulphur Springs. This is what Will Wise captured on camera right before it hit the town. This is an area east of DFW in Hopkins County. Joe Banneker has been speaking with people who live there and joins us live with a look at what happened.
Chris, we had a chance to talk with some people here in Hopkins County. They say this tornado was on the ground for about a half mile. It started off in a hayfield out this way, makes its way northeast, comes down. The tornado first hits this home, hits this pine tree. The pine tree cascades down onto the home. You see how badly devastated this home is. The middle of the home is completely gone. But the real story is what's happening right here in this maroon truck. There was an older couple inside that truck when this tornado hit. Now, thankfully, we can report that they are okay. They are safe. They are not badly hurt. They were setting out to eat dinner when that tornado hit. Now, we spoke with the Hopkins County emergency manager. He tells us, thankfully, no one in the county died and no one was badly hurt, but several homes were badly damaged. For now, we've counted 3. And obviously, you're seeing one of those homes now. This is a small community. Everybody knows everybody, and people jumped into action when they saw what happened here.
This was the first structure that it encountered. The people were in their truck fixing to leave and actually ended up being trapped in their truck, and they cut some trees and removed them from the structure of the truck itself.
Now we can actually see the trajectory of this tornado. Everything is moving northeast, all the debris also northeast. There are also more damaged homes on the northeast side, one we're told also on the hill. Now the couple that lived in this home and that was who were inside that truck, we're told they are now with family here locally and they are safe, they are okay. Crews tonight will be working on getting power restored to this area. Crews will also be working on getting some of these downed trees off of the roads so they can be passable. Reporting live here in Miller Grove, I'm Joe Banneker.